Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the next type of cardiomyopathy, which is Takotsubo cardiomyopathy. In Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, if you see, there is one more name given for this, which is called as broken heart syndrome. This is also called as broken heart syndrome because this mainly occurs in stressful conditions. In any stressful conditions in our life, this will increase the catecholamine production. When this is highly stressful condition and the catecholamine condition increases a lot, then it leads to the ischemia of heart muscle. And because once there is ischemia of heart muscle, this causes heart muscle injury, which is myocyte injury is seen, and this myocyte injury will result in dilatation of left ventricle is seen. Left ventricle is enlarged in this condition. And if you see, I will just draw the diagram of this enlarged left ventricle. If this is the heart, okay, only I am focusing on the left ventricle, not the rest of the things are fine. Okay, now this left ventricle is enlarged, it is enlarged like this. So if you see it from one angle, because of this enlarged left ventricle, it looks something like this, right? This left ventricle is looking something like this, and this is actually a Japanese octopus. Japanese octopus will also look octopus trap. Actually, Japanese octopus trap looks like this, and this is called as Takotsubo in the Japan, and so it is called as Takotsubo arteritis. Takotsubo cardiomyopathy. So it mainly occurs due to the stress and increased catecholamines. Thank you for watching.